Today we're going for breakfast to Butter Brews
and we visit some Sai Baba temple.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this morning we met our friend Priya at Butter and Brews in the heart of Goregaon Park, Pune. Nice cafe to chill and to have a good catch up, especially Suji that couldn't stop talking. Meanwhile, I was enjoying my hot chocolate. I don't exaggerate if I say that it tasted exactly the same as the one I normally have in Spain. After a nice chat and wonderful breakfast, we decided to visit a local Sai Baba temple down the road. For those who may not know, Sai Baba was an Indian spiritual master and fakir, considered to be a saint and devoted by both Hindu and Muslim. Sai Baba is treated as God of all. It is said he performed many miracles. He asked his devotees to lead a moral life, helping others, loving every living being without any discrimination. He believed in forgiveness, charity, contentment, inner peace, and devotion of God. The temple was a beautiful place of worship filled with tranquility. And seeing different cultures truly opens your mind and enriches your life. It is essential to respect and learn from other beliefs and traditions. Every day is an opportunity to grow and understand the world around us better. Finishing the visit with some prasad, which is food that has been blessed. Nice morning, good learning, see you soon!